Let's now create the You Died scene. Same thing as before, so we are finding our template in our file system. So we're going to GUI, UI template.scene, right click, and new inherited scene. Double click to change the name. I'm just going to call it You Died. And I'm going to save it. And I'll save it to the same place as before, which is inside the GUI, so that looks good. All right. Again, we need to delete the script. And again, we need to add a new one. An empty script. Empty script. You died, saving it in GUI, and this time we want to inherit again from UI template. Looking good. Create. Get rid of that. And let's link up our play button. We'll do that as our first job. Into Node. The signal again is pressed. Connect it to the parent node, which is the You Died. Connect. And we get our little function. And can you remember what we say? We say, delete that. Get tree, change scene to file, and again I want to change it to the welcome screen this time, so I just click on that one, res GUI welcome, put on there. Alright, good. Save it. And now go back into 2D view, and we want message large font. This time is going to be back into the inspector, message large font selected, You Died. And I want horizontal alignment this time to be center. That's good. So it says You Died there. Should we do a theme override to make the writing bigger? Let's do that. So theme override, font sizes, and I'm going to go maybe 48 to make it the same as the above one. Looking good. Okay, message small font is going to be better luck next time. Press play again to have another go. So why not press play again to have another go? Okay. Button play. Play again. That looks good. But have I overflowed the screen? Oh, I don't think so. Let's just have a look at it. I have, haven't I? So I can't do that, and I'm just going to make the message smaller. Why not press play again? New line to have another go. I don't know why it says P there. Get rid of that. That's not too bad. What I might do, though, is go horizontal alignment center just to make it look a bit neater. That's better. All right. So click the clapperboard and see if this works. Play again should take me to the welcome screen. It does. Play Robot Miner should start the game. Good, it does. Started to have another look at it. Click the clapperboard. And I just want to test that quick works. quit works. All right. Now, what we need to do now is hook this "You Died" screen up to the game. So we need to go into level 1. Where are we? Level 1. Characters, levels. Level 1 scene. We've opened it up. All right. And we want to go into player. And we want to open the player script. So when we die, what we need to do now is delete reset game. And we need to call the "You Died" scene. Get tree, change scene to file. So then change it to "You Died." Now if you die, you should go to the "You Died" screen. What we should do, and I know this is repeating code, is reset the global variables before we do this, because otherwise we'll load the game with whatever values we had when we died, and which means we'll just die again. So we're breaking a bit of a school rule by repeating code, but that will do for now. Maybe we'll tidy this all up before we publish. Okay, save it. And let's try and die in the game and see what happens. You died. Play again takes us to the first screen. We reload with the life that we should have at the beginning. And this time we die again. Perhaps we don't want to have another go. We just press quit. All right, that looks good. Okay. So we've got one more to do, and that is the "You Won" screen. We'll do that in the next section. I hope to see you there.